Rune here with the brawl. Got Barf and Belch, Champion Triple Strike, and I think that was Brute Bone Napper. Yeah, it is. So I'm going to go after this Champion Triple Strike first since he has the area of effect attack. And leave the Brute Bone Napper to the end because he's a protector type.